So this is cognitive evolution from a Piagetian perspective. And at this time we're going to talk about what Piaget has to say about Évariste Galois. And so I'm going to just read. So our basic thesis is that Piaget has described 4 stages of cognitive development. And the position for here is that there's a stage past Piaget's formal operations stage. It's a stage that Piaget himself was in throughout his career and is described in his book Structuralism. He didn't call that a cognitive stage, but it's our position that it's a stage that emerged in human civilization within the last 200 years. So Galois is somebody he died in a duel, died from wounds in a duel that he had the day before, and shortly before he had the duel, he gathered all his math papers and sent them on to a friend to have them published eventually. And those papers contain group theory and a number of other advances in mathematics that sort of initiated this new stage of cognitive structures. So the first quote is, "The great movement set afoot by Galois and culminating in our ideas of a genealogy of structures supplies us with the model of what might be, in terms of the development of cognitive structures, the structuralism towards which all views are trending today." This is Jean Piaget from Biology and Knowledge. And then the next quote is going to be Jean Piaget from his book on structuralism. "A critical account of structuralism must begin with a consideration of mathematical structures, not only for logical but even for historical reasons. The first known structure, and the first to be studied as such, was surely the mathematical group, Galois' discovery, which little by little conquered the whole of 19th century mathematics." All right, so these 2 quotes show that from Piaget's point of view, there's an important movement, and that it's influenced, has had great influence in the Galois died in 1832, and since that time, the movement that he launched has just grown in importance. To give you an idea of the scope of structuralism, and get over the idea that it's just about math and logic, here are some of the chapter titles from the book Structuralism by Jean Piaget. Mathematical and logical structures, physical and biological structures, psychological structures, linguistic structures, structural analysis in the social sciences, and structuralism and philosophy. So, while Piaget doesn't say that structuralism represents a post-formal operations stage, he does say it's very important and that it applies across the board to many other areas as an advance in cognitive structures would be expected to have. Thank you very much.